Somebody tested me. Don't say anything about IMF. Me, I shouldn't say anything about IMF. I will say it. I will say it. You know, going into IMF is just like handing over power to NDC without a contest.
Busia wonim say abefunim de e na sesei e woso wonim say wontimi bibia e wo wiase sesei abra won for abefunim de emfa nka ho wosan so enim say sesei no ebesonsum nsam so a abefunim de asan agbewiri mu ana oso daye wonti ase wodaye so ache wodaye so entimi mbem Edonchi enene me kanfo Prophet Dr. Abennego Ediama ono ena onyankopon enam ne so na ode abefu ewremu ewo sunsun semu a ode ji nyankopon emma edi from how ene mamane ene omatiti mu edonti onyankopon enam ne so edi a new spiritual science technology edi ababontin a ye freno eye castoplanto technologies meba chawo hwe Prophet Dr. Abennego a owo ensam adwagiri castoplanto technologies casting out negativities and planting in positivities.
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong MP for Asin Central Wardin Simbi Ababeto eye apono eso na ebusiafo nensem no ekame akwakoye se abembo eye abemu enesen ze de wa winim ye ma ye papa yi se de nani so ade hunu esi efa etie se 2024 wono so no obesi eye akansie ni ebie na chese ye yi no se Frank Atuni ede ama MPP amanyoko eno na ono so etimi aba bedi eye wo manyi eso na watimi asesa eye wo manyi timamufo adwene na watimi aboa abuild eye ye tourist site instead de be ya ebe bring much more money yetimi de abu eye wo manyi na otimi di ebi nso aye eye mpuntudwuma no kame akwakoye se na niso ade hunu no ene ne nsusu ye no sabio ye ato eye enso mu a enesa sanse wo hu ne sem emre bi etwem wo ka ensem bi ede efa eye aban dada no ehun echire mu ese anamonto bi a wo mu etuo se sa anamonto no ede enye den emwa nanso ne wo hu so no ankasa ne nkrofo etu sa anamonto no ebi ede anaje se enya ade esem wo ade a wodi gina so anase wo bi eye no ntutimi di gi bibi di free nsem won so won sanfa nye wonfa sa ade ne nye den endi eye nkrofo no expect se wo besan so ayede a break eye the 8 nti kame akwa se breaking the 8 no ato eye enso na je se anhwe ya beda asori ebio no na de betia ne se Honorable Kennedy Agyapong wa resign ede free eye agokansie no emu a enya de se wo ne eye nkrofobia ebe pre eye mashebedwa anase sebio ye mampenyi adwa no wono wo mo ebe pre wo because wo ni se na no ankasa ne nkrofo na manyokofo ama ne nsa asifo mo a enesa na ne nsam no de tudwa no dofo yenkoti emra ye ba ye beto aso.
And I'm telling you, with unity, we can break the 8. If we are not united, the way things are going, they just showed me Ghana MPP. We're going to IMF. Trust me. You're sitting here, you are smiling. IMF, what are we going to say again? Somebody tested me. Don't say anything about IMF. Me, I shouldn't say anything about IMF. I will say it. I will say it. You know, going into IMF is just like handing over power to NDC without a contest. Straight away. Because the noise we made, and I threw my own words back when I said NDC went to IMF because of mismanagement of the party, the government, or the economy. So if MPP is going to IMF, what am I going to say? What am I going to say? So breaking the 8 is going to be tough. You cannot use the face of those who who took us to IMF to break the 8. It won't work. My message to you is simple. You cannot read my lips, and I'm not scared of anybody in the party. I will tell you the gospel truth. It's the gospel truth. Those who take you to IMF cannot, this same face cannot break the 8. In Latin it says verbum sapienti satis est. A word to the wise is enough. I'm very, very sad today when I saw the publication that we are going to IMF. You know, that is what Mahama was praying for. He's gotten his wish. It will not be easy. It will take hard work. So we should brace ourselves that there's a task ahead of us, and therefore it's only unity that will let us sail through.
You know, other for said, I want to Kennedy, then some no atu jano and not just an ensign be a maybe a chemu. What can ye and answer what they are to jar at the man and this Yamano Kono say and one more etu and a be because of a year mismanagement of the government no or when they say and net was also a fire a yenensum. Yasian and Yadia so will be best over fear or said you busia manuma fan chemis and I will be said that Yanimana bibia. A cram my and was said your fear was also at a fray a yen fear back. Nanso so and net or no. Was also a financing back because when they said they be breaking the 8 easy. And never they grow. Now watching Chimo be inside the IGBD. What's in the pana I dear and yet and Lutigana for anxious so. Now I'm on to a banfama now baba baby who buy and I say so and pay ye no answer Biana was so ye dear. And another day I will ye there oh ye not just still. And Mabuno. Kwana wo pese wo mo enye den enko emfa enye den enti na che se ebema agokansi race no ebeye so tough so tight ai che se ne nkrofo yi wo mo ema nyoma mo eye den de ema wo mo ema anyoma mo eye den de ema enu nti no dodo na hu ni se honorable se de ne nkasa yemu esi efa etie no wonyaya na nkana na montu no obesi fo wonyaya Nanka ni susu ye dreams vision awo wo edema wo mind Ghana no e kamia kwa yesese no wo ya pa ba e wo because who ni say wo pray e de ema eye wo man yikura mpona still enyoma enkoye emfa ema because say IMF pa na MPP amanyoko de asi wo mani so na say wo mo se wo mo beye abibia ensesa wo mo adwen abibia empusu wo mo bibia enye wo mo hwedi a ene na je se wo pray no ho a wan hwe ya ne sika no bokwakoto agu ene se sika e obetimi di ama ese bi ho ya ne nkanchi mai obetimi di ama ne mma no obetimi di ama ne yire nom ama wo mo susu di abobra na so wo mutimi di aye bibia ma na ye dansem wo de bekwakwo hya amanyosem mu ebekwakwo ye rally ahodo monto abama me na ebekwakwo wi achi obedi ncho da bi nanka wo gidie pa ewa rehyiemu pa ewa eye renta so pa senka die wedie ebekwo ede ama no nka MPP won be breaking eye the 8 nanso so sa eye 3 letter words miense nyoma miense za di miense IMF wan hwe ya na wa jonkolize nyoma be brenti e kamia kwa yesa honorable wo tu ne hofo eba eye nkakra no na binom si da bi eni kwa so honorable ma die webu na bam eni kwa so wo ma eye sa die webu na bam bako se so wo hwe na amanyoko na wo bata ho no na bedi ni hwama wonte ne ho independent won ko unopposed crampo obi ani ne mpre ho eno ne sande Ghana fo benya no mu awrehyimu ehunu se ampa wo man ho adwempa na ode ne ho bosa bio achi mafia si die ne won kafra ye be mafia ne sa ne ye 2024 aba no ebe ye se gobe no ebe sei enti no ontu no ho fo emane mpa aba nemu onko unopposed independent eno de wo benya eye said ye wo hwehwe no nemu mo ye na adwen se wo gina MPP anamu na wakon eye enkodin se breaking the 8 what one man na breaking the 12 asaba na breaking the 16 aba na wo hu eye no ho ano enti wontu eye no ho efu odofo wutie wona bon some de etu edwa yi a won so adwen twa ho enesen fabra ebetu your comment section like your videos na share on all the social media platform no so media ene ekia sikapa makram